videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to watch how to create a new app management service application in your SharePoint subscription edition, which is the newest on-premise edition of Microsoft SharePoint on premises. So guys, in front of you I have opened central administration, and under service applications, if you go to new, you have the option of app management service. So I'm going to put a name, app management, okay. Database name, if you want to change, you can. Database failover, you want to create a new service pool, yeah, I also want app. And you want to create a proxy, yes, so click on OK. Now it is trying to create based on your configuration, based on your environment. It may take some time, so you need to have patience. You can also do it using PowerShell, but this is a single server farm and very basic settings have been used. That's why I'm doing it through UI. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so it has been created. So thanks for watching this. Please